Jocelyn Predovich, and I'm here today with Adam Wasorick. We're with BestHomeColorado.com. Now, as you can see behind us, Denver, Colorado's skyline. We're downtown, and we're in the thick of things. You might hear some trains going by, cars, buses. We're in the middle of all of it. Now, in this 2 to 3 minute video, we're going to talk about the top 3 reasons why people relocate into the Denver area. Adam's been working in real estate for 8 years.
Yeah, it's been 8 years and it's going strong. I can't believe how much it's been improving in the last 2 years.
Oh, absolutely. What are some of the reasons why people move into the area, and talk a little bit about why someone might leave Denver?
You know, the clients I'm working with, from what I'm seeing, is they're moving into the area because of the lifestyle. They've either read about it or heard about it online, how great the Denver lifestyle is. And as a Denver resident, I can't agree more. It's just a wonderful place to live. And as far as people leaving the area, it's not because of lifestyle. They typically leave because of a job change, or basically they're being forced out because they need to get a new job somewhere else, or a relocation.
And you can see from us squinting our eyes, it's really sunny, and it's always sunny here. There's never a cloudy day, is there?
That's very true. Over 300 days per year, sunshine. And that kind of leads into one of the reasons, the whole lifestyle thing. People want to move here because they want to work out, maybe go for a hike, bike ride, walk the dogs. And Denver offers over 205 parks to do that, to walk the dog, to go for a run. There's classes where you can go work out in a park, for example. And if you were willing to drive an hour and a half, we have world-class ski areas, skiing in the winter, mountain biking in the summer, rafting, mountain climbing, and I can go on and on. There's a lot to do here.
Yeah, we could have a video just on the activities, because it doesn't matter if you're single, have a family, if you're looking for advanced extreme sports to just leisurely types of sports. It offers everything.
Yeah, definitely. There's a bit of everything, and for any level, and for kids, it's a great place.
Now, one of the things people feel like is if they're moving into a place for lifestyle, they have to sacrifice their job or maybe their income that they're earning, but that is not the case here in Denver, which is why it's such a sought-after area.
Yeah, definitely a sought-after area. Lifestyle brings them in, but then there's also a job for them when they get here. I mean, there's tons of opportunity. There's a lot of entrepreneurs in the Denver area.
Right.
They're creating jobs all the time. We also have a governor that's really into promoting green jobs, and so there's a lot of that coming in as well. So there's plenty of jobs here.
Well, and you relocated into the area, and you guys came in without jobs and just hit the ground running, so.
Yeah, my wife and I both came in, didn't have jobs, we're hoping it would work out. I came into real estate, got my license, and took off with that. And my wife, she actually had her job before I even got my license. She got a job right away in banking, and she's doing awesome. So it's just great.
If you want to look for homes in Denver that are for sale, click below. You can also click to apply online to see how much of a home you can buy.